Hello everyone, welcome back to today's recipe. It's a Thari Kachiyathu. It's a Malabar Special drink which is mostly made during Ramadan. It is a drink made with semolina and milk. Now let's begin. Take a pan, pour in 2 cups of water. Add in 3 tablespoons of semolina or suji. You need to add that. And you need to keep stirring it till it comes to a boil. Keep stirring it, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. You'll need to keep stirring it. This will take around 5 minutes. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix it well. And now it has slightly started to thicken and it is coming to a boil. Pour in milk, around 3 cups of milk. Combine it till it comes to a boil. And to add flavors to it, I'll be crushing 4 cardamoms and crush it to make it a powder. Take the outer covering. You'll need to add the cardamom powder into the milk mixture. To add in sweetness, I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust your sweetness accordingly. You can completely avoid adding sugar as well. Once you've added the sugar, mix it well and let it all come to a boil. And now your milk mixture is coming to a boil. Switch off the flame. And now let's do the tempering. For that, I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of ghee. Put in 1 teaspoon of chopped onions. This onion gives it a unique taste to the drink. Fry it till it becomes golden in color. And once it's become semi-brown in color, add in chopped cashews. I've added around 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews. Let it become golden in color. And once it has become golden in color, you'll need to add this to the semolina milk mixture. And now your Thari Kachiyathu is ready. Mix it well and you need to serve it hot. It's a very soothing drink. This we serve it along with the dates and the water at the Iftar time. Do try it out and please don't forget to let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.